If your integrations still run as projects, you're burning time and margin. Integrations should be the engine of your service delivery, not the thing holding it back. Today's IT service leaders need integrations that just work, securely, automatically, and at scale. That's where Integration Ops changes everything. CGI is one of the world's largest IT and business consulting firms, serving clients across industries through its managed service provider model. But as client environments multiplied, so did complexity. Each onboarding required multiple integrations, different systems, data models, and security layers, all needing to run flawlessly 24/7. This is what Nina Ahola-Verki, ServiceNow lead in CGI, said.
Our customers don't want to wait months to be onboarded. The integrations should run invisibly in the background as part of each process flow.
CGI turned to ONEiO for a 360-degree solution to manage every aspect of their integration landscape. Whether it's onboarding a new client or evolving existing integrations, CGI's experts now have the know-how and toolset to connect any API endpoint, securely and in record time. Depending on the customer, issues, requests, or assets, flow either through CGI's MSP ServiceNow or the client's own service management platform. Behind the scenes, ONEiO keeps data moving seamlessly between systems, automating processes end-to-end without a single line of custom code. With ONEiO's Integration Ops as a Service model, CGI moved from building integrations to operating them, scalable, standardized, and continuously monitored. Integrations no longer create bottlenecks, they drive better service experiences.
ServiceNow and ONEiO are a powerful combination. We can develop capabilities in an agile, proactive way and give clients everything they need in one place.
A prime example is Fingrid Datahub, Finland's national electricity data platform. CGI needed a transparent, always-on integration between multiple vendor systems and their MSP ServiceNow. With ONEiO as the single point of integration, service data now flows flawlessly across all stakeholders, reducing manual work, improving uptime, and enhancing collaboration. This is what Mina Arfman, director of Fingrid Datahub, said.
The data integrates smoothly and efficiently between systems. Accurate integrations help us reduce manual work, optimize operations, and enhance our service.
For CGI, that means 24/7 operational reliability. And for Fingrid, complete confidence that critical national systems stay connected and compliant. For IT service providers, Integration Ops isn't a new technology, it's a new operating model. It replaces fragmented projects with a managed service that scales effortlessly. ONEiO's AI-powered platform automates monitoring, adapts to API changes, and ensures every integration keeps running. No firefighting required. The result? Lower costs, faster onboarding, predictable delivery, and happier clients. Software has DevOps, security has SecOps, now integrations have Integration Ops, and CGI is proving what's possible.
Our clients can stay reassured that the integration flows keep running 24/7. As ONEiO is a well-maintained, modern platform, our customers can rely on receiving world-class integration services also in the future.
If you're ready to move beyond integration headaches and scale your service business faster, discover Integration Ops as a Service by ONEiO. Because in modern IT, success isn't only about connecting systems, it's about keeping them running flawlessly. Download our free and detailed guide about Integration Ops to start managing the lifecycle of B2B integrations efficiently and at scale. You can find the link in the description. Did you like this video? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more tech strategy content.